Assalamualaikum and hello. Welcome to our CSC569 Principle of Compilers Mini Project demonstration, which is SableCC project. Today, my partner Muhammad Haziq bin Hasnul and I, Muhammad Fahim bin Kamaruddin, will be walking you through the complete manual installation and execution of SableCC 3.7 on Windows. To give a brief background, SableCC is a Java-based open source compiler tool. It automates one of the most critical parts of compiler design, generating scanners and parsers from a formal grammar specification. Unlike traditional tools like YACC or Antler, SableCC produces clean, object-oriented Java code, making it especially suitable for understanding compiler construction. In the first phase of compilation, lexical analysis, source code is broken down into a stream of tokens. SableCC completely automates this process through its structured, grammar driven approach, eliminating the need to write complex token recognition logic by hand. In this video, we will demonstrate our complete manual setup on Windows. We will start with our Java JDK verification and environmental variable configuration. To start, you have to open the settings on your Windows, then find system and about. On the same section, you find advanced system setting and click on it. You'll be redirected to system properties and click on the environment variables. And once you are on that page, go to system variable and navigate the path. Click it and click edit. Once you are on edit, this is where you are going to paste the path of the two folders. The first folders being your JDK26 folders. For mine, you go to the folder, to the subfolder bin, and you simply copy the path. Select it and copy it, and go back to the environment variable, click new, and paste the path you had just copied. And now for the SableCC, you navigate to the folder where you place your SableCC in. In my case, I put it in CSC569 Principles of Compilers subfolders, and you copy the path again. Once you had copied the path, you go back to the environment variables and repeat the same process you just did for your JDK. And for now you are done. Click you are done and click OK. And this is where I will hand the next things to my partner Muhammad Haziq.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Hasnul. Thank you, Fahim, for allowing me to continue our presentation. So now, after the installation of the SableCC, we will be proceeding with the grammar section of the process. So in the instruction, it says that we need to create the Lexical.grammar, but surprisingly, after I unzip the provided zip file, we already have the Lexical.grammar file here. So now here is the content, which will be which starts from package Lexi semicolon into double slash of one of the above tokens. Okay, we're done with that. Now we'll be proceed with the compiling section. So now we are going to open the command prompt, and then I will enter. Okay, before that, we need to go into the parent directory here, and then right click here and copy address as text. Going back to the command prompt, we need to put cd first and then paste the directory path and then enter. Okay, now we're done with that. So next we need to enter with this command, which will be SableCC space lowercase l lexing dot rem. Okay, entering with that. Now it shows that the lexing folder has been created here. Okay, now we are done with that. I will just close the command prompt, and then here we can see that the lexing folder has been created. Okay, after that I will create the lexing Java file. So first, okay, before that, the instruction said that we need to create the Java file, but because the Java file has been provided already here, we will just keep it, but I'm going to explain it anyways. So okay, we are going back to the command prompt, and then we're going to the cd this section again, and then I'm going to put java c lowercase l lexing slash star symbol and then comma dot java. Okay, if I enter this, the older file will be rewritten because it already exists in the lexing folder here. So I'm not going to enter. But this is how we can create the Java file on the lexing folder. Okay, so here is the lexing Java file. So here is the Java file here, the code, and then after that, because we're done with the Java file, the Java class will also be appear here too, and then we will continue with the run section. Okay, to proceed with the run section, we are going back to the command prompt, and before you proceed the input section of the SableCC program, you need to go into the parent directory first, especially with this. You need to enter this prompt first to proceed. Okay, after that, continuing on here, I'm going to put this prompt, which will be Java lowercase l lexing and then dot uppercase l lexing and then enter. Now we are already entered the input section. So now I'm going to type any random function such as y equals y plus 3. I'm going to tap enter, and then here it will show all the elements and all the types here from the function. So here the identifier called y, the unknown, the equal symbol, the identifier also, the arithmetic operation which is plus, and then we have the number 3. Now we have done with the input. I'm going to And also we are done with the output. I'm going to enter Control Z and then enter. So after, because what I did there is to create to proceed with another process input section. So if you're done with one function, to proceed to another, you need to use Control Z and enter. So that's how you do it, and that is all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.